60,000 personal injury lawyers across the United States. The plethora of options may seem overwhelming. However, we've made a list of 5 exceptional firms specializing in personal injury claims related to motorcycle and car accidents. These seasoned attorneys can potentially assist you in pursuing compensation for injuries resulting from the fault or negligence of a company or individual. Without any further delay, start with number 5, Sutliff and Stout Accident Lawyers. If you're seeking assistance from a personal injury law firm in Houston, you've landed on the ideal video. Sutliff and Stout Injury and Accident Law Firm stands out as one of the top 3 personal injury law firms in Houston, Texas. Over the years, this firm has played a great role in supporting various individuals in navigating their personal injury claims. The founders, Graham Sutliff and Hank Stout, hold board certification in personal injury trial law and have earned recognition as super lawyers in the state of Texas by Thomson Reuters. Notably, the firm has secured settlements and verdicts totaling hundreds of millions of dollars on behalf of its clients. Number 4. Rector Stazinski LLC Injury Attorneys in America, one of the top-rated car accident law firms. For over 75 years, the Rector Law Firm has been steadfastly representing our Colorado Springs community in the courtroom. Their commitment is to provide you with the most effective representation, employing evidence-supported strategies and adept trial attorneys dedicated to fighting on your behalf. When you opt to engage with Rector Stazinski as a leading Colorado Springs car accident law firm, you're enlisting the services of adept and highly knowledgeable car and truck accident attorneys. With decades of experience in personal injury law and traffic regulations, they meticulously handle every facet of your case. This includes evidence compilation, witness interviews, and the enlistment of accident recreation teams to construct a robust case supported by concrete evidence, aiming for a just settlement. Throughout the picturesque state of Colorado, particularly in Colorado Springs and its environs, their attorneys have achieved success in hundreds of car crash lawsuits. They stand ready to provide you with the legal representation you deserve, so don't hesitate to reach out for a complimentary consultation regarding your Colorado Springs car accident case. Number 3. The Law Office of Richard M. Kenney, leading car accident attorneys in America. Enlisting the expertise of a New York car accident attorney from their firm ensures you receive the compensation you deserve, regardless of the nature of your auto accident. Here we outline some prevalent types of automobile accidents frequently encountered in New York: head-on collisions, multi-vehicle pileups, rear-end accidents, rollover accidents, side impact collisions, and taxi accidents. These key features illustrate the diverse range of accident scenarios our experienced attorneys are well equipped to handle on your behalf. Number 2. Crasny Law Car Accident Lawyers. Crasny Law Accident Attorneys, based in San Bernardino, is a comprehensive California personal injury law firm. Their exclusive focus on personal injury law underscores their commitment to securing optimal outcomes for their clients. Specializing in cases involving wrongful death accidents, motorcycle and bicycle accidents, pedestrian incidents, dog bites, burns, brain injuries, and all facets of personal injuries. Their firm adopts a results-driven approach with an assertive litigation style when necessary. Backed by substantial skill and experience, they tailor strategies to suit your case effectively. Your initial consultation is complimentary, and they operate on a contingency basis. According to Crasny Lawyers firm, there is no fees, unless they successfully recover compensation for you. Before we go, number 1, we've linked some resources in the description to guide you through the selection process. And here is number 1. Law offices of Sarez and Montero, personal injury attorneys and car accident lawyers in America. In Miami, their law firm boasts a rich history of handling some of the most substantial personal injury cases, advocating for victims across a spectrum of incidents. From motor vehicle accidents, truck accidents, slip and fall incidents, trip and falls, motorcycle accidents, bicycle accidents, accidents involving impaired drivers, pedestrian accidents, to mishaps on cruise ships or boats, and incidents at retail establishments, supermarkets, or during rideshare services like Uber and Lyft. Their expertise spans over 2 decades. Take pride in our outstanding 500-plus 5-star Google rating, inviting you to explore their documented success across South Florida. With a track record of over 19 years and millions recovered for victims, rest assured, they are dedicated to fiercely defending your legal rights. Remember, it's not just about finding a lawyer. It's about finding the right one for you. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Stay safe on the roads, and thanks for tuning in. And we'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.